Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you how to make a 3 pockets wallet or card, gift card. Very easy to make. The templates I cut it directly from the interface, and I use number 809, and the white side, the side going down is 10 inches, and the side going across is 11 inch and a quarter. I'm going to fold the 11 inch and a quarter in half. After I fold this half, I'm going to hold the fold and I'm going to fold again. You can do that on the paper, and then after that trace on the interface, and if you don't feel comfortable folding the interface, and just like that. And then you open this, you're going to mark the side, the fold line that you just fold. So now you have the line, like the center here, and then half of the center, half of the center. Very simple. So from the half, you're gonna mark down 3 inches. From the left side, a quarter of an inch. The right side, a quarter of an inch. I'm going to connect this line. Then I'm gonna connect this together like that. So now you have the line right there. Now from the one on the left right here, you go down 1 inch, and then on the right here you go down 1 inch, and then on this side here you go 1 inch, and then go 1 inch. Now I'm gonna connect them. So connect the 1 inch to the center, and then 1 inch to the center here. On this side, do the same thing, 1 inch and 1 inch. Very simple. And this one to this one. There we go. Now you have the templates for the wallet. Alright, so I cut the fabric. I cut 2, one for the lining and one for the main. The right side already face the right side, and you place the templates on it as long as you have around at least a quarter of an inch that for your seam allowance. You see how I have here big and small. As long as I have the interface and cut out nicely, then I'm fine. Now you're gonna iron on this back side of the main fabric, and then I show you what to do. So everyone, after I iron the interfacing on the back side of the main fabric, remember you're gonna face the 2 right side together. You go on to sew, but let me just mark in here that the place so we can inside out. So I do about 2 or 3 inches. It's all up to you. We're gonna sew from here, follow the interfacing. So all the way up to here, go down up to that corners, going down, and sew right on this line on the side, and go down to here, and then going up, and then go in here, go down to the top, go on the side, go on the bottom, and stop, leave this open. Alright, so everyone, after I sewed around, I'm gonna trim a little bit on the corners, or you can go trim, because remember, you don't cut the fabric evenly, so all that craziness. Go to here, you're gonna go down like that. Okay, you go on from here, you're gonna cut the center where the center line right here, and then you're gonna do that cut. Cut this away. From here you can go and you cut around this. I'm gonna trim a little bit over here at the space that I left it open. I'm not gonna cut because I wanted to fold it in nicely, so I'm gonna go and cut like that. You're gonna save all of this for the future video, whatever you want to make, and we're going to press on the side. So now you all good to go. You're gonna inside out this whole thing. So go and inside out this, and I will go from there. And I also have it here that I cut 1.5 inches, and I fold it in half, and I fold in half again, and I fold the half in half. So you're gonna sew top and the bottom, and that. So let's inside out this thing. One after I iron the whole thing in here, the man in the back side of these. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna bring this side up to meet this here. You're gonna make sure it go all the way up. When you fold it up, you're gonna make sure this side right here, it evenly by checking in the front. It's right here, okay? You don't want it to show like that. You want it right there. That's even. Then you can press this down or iron. If you want to, you can iron this down so you know. And then after that, you go into mark the side. So I'm gonna go mark with the chalk marker right here. You can get this at the Dollar Tree. It's right there. So now you open this. You're gonna top stitch from the mark that we marked. Top stitch on this side or on the flap. Go on this side, go on here, go to the middle, go on the side, go to the top, the side, and go down to here and stop. When you're done, you're gonna top stitch on this side too. I have this one, this little strap that we already sew together. I'm gonna place it right in here. You can check in my description box for the link of the material. And it from here, I'm going to sew 1/4 of an inch right here. And then it's right here, you're gonna sew this together. Okay, everyone, after I top stitch on here on the flap and go all the way, and then on the bottom here, I'm gonna fold it back and iron this. So make sure that the line is stayed out for me before I sew this together. This is good to hold everything you want to, and then you clip on your big wallet, big bag, or whatever. Just like so. And then I'm going to fold this in half. I'm gonna do this first so everything when I fold it won't go crazy. So do that just to hold the side together like that. And then I'm gonna flip on the other side like this. So I'm going to go right in between here. So like this, everything it meet up like this. Go right in the middle. When you have everything even like this, you can iron this. If not, you can go and fix around it. We just clip on the side here. I'm going to add this on the top, this and between these two, right on the top. Just clip it down like that. It's super easy when you have it right in front of you. You see how easy that is. Okay. I'm using the heat and bond tape. As many of you follow my video, I save everything. Little thing like this, I save them all. And I know that someday I'm using this. I have used this in the past and it'll stay there for many watch and it stay there. So if you're afraid that it's not gonna stay, then you can solder it. You can solder it in. For me, I don't have to do that. I'm gonna go cut the same side and then on the paper side I fold it so the sticky side go right on the side of the tag, and then peel the paper. It like half an inch away like that. It stay forever, trust me. So now it's staying like that. Very nice. And if you don't want to, you can open this up and then you can sew on it. Sew around this one. It's up to you. So now I'm gonna sew this side together. And then here you can sew together. So start from the top here or start from the bottom here. It's up to you, but go from here. You're gonna go down past it and go all the way down to here and then go down to here. Very close up, but I'll show you. Use this thick. If you don't have this tool, you can fold the fabric the same thickness of this and put in front of the needle. Okay, and make sure they have two sides, the thick side and the other side. After I sew, it's gonna look like this. And now you have one pocket here, one right here, and then the other side. So I'm gonna go and flap it down so we can add the button. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So flap this down and make sure it go right in the center like that. And then you go on to iron this. This is the best gift that you can give out. It take you a few minutes to do. And on this side you're gonna do exactly the same. Super easy. see this side, do exactly the same. I just show you on this side, and then you're done. Okay, and that is that, everyone. That is so easy to do. And then you can clip this in your handbag or whatever, or if you want to, you can make the strap longer and put around your wrist. And this have 3 side pockets right here. This one you can put all your credit card or whatever card you have, just put it right in here, and then you can snap this with the button. And then on here you can put something in here if you want to. You can put a gift card if you want to put a gift card, feel free to do that. And then on this side you're gonna do the same thing. You can put money in there. If you want to put money, you can just put it right there. And then some chain, close this. And so it have 3 sides, 1 in the middle, and then 2 on each, 1 on each side. This is so cute. Let me see, the size of this is 5.5 inches, and down is for 3 1/4 of an inch. It's very cute. Stay safe. Very easy to make too. Look at that. This is super easy to make, and then you can just snap it down and it coming right down for you. So easy. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also thank you for the people who donate to my channel membership and always come and watch my video. Thank you so much, everyone. Love you. Stay safe.